Hey everyone, it's 10 Minute here, and let's be real, who doesn't want to make passive income online? Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to make money from dropshipping. Now you might be thinking, dropshipping in 2024? Is that still a thing? Absolutely. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to help you start your own successful dropshipping business. So, whether you're a complete beginner or you've dabbled in e-commerce before, this video has something for you. First things first, you need to choose a niche. And no, I don't mean just picking any random product category that sounds kind of interesting. I mean really digging deep and finding a niche that you're passionate about. Think about it, if you're passionate about something, you're naturally going to be more invested in it. Plus, when you're passionate about your niche, it doesn't even feel like work. It's like you're just sharing something you love with the world. And the best part is, when you're genuinely excited about your products, that enthusiasm is contagious. But passion alone isn't enough. You also need to make sure there's a decent market demand for your chosen niche. You don't want to pour your heart and soul into selling something that nobody wants, right? So, how do you find a profitable niche? One of my favorite methods is using a tool called Google Trends. It's a goldmine of information that shows you the search volume for different keywords over time. This means you can see what people are actually searching for online, giving you valuable insights into potential product ideas. Another great strategy is to check out popular online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. See what's selling well in different categories and pay attention to the reviews. Remember, choosing the right niche is crucial for your dropshipping success. So take your time, do your research, and find something that gets you fired up. Alright, so you've got your niche locked in and you're ready to start sourcing products. This is where things get real, folks. Finding reliable suppliers is absolutely crucial for your dropshipping business. Why? Because your supplier is essentially your silent business partner. They're the ones handling the inventory, packaging, and shipping of your products. If they mess up, it reflects badly on you and your brand. So, how do you separate the good suppliers from the bad? First off, you need to be doing your due diligence. Don't just go with the first supplier you find on Google. Take your time, shop around, and compare different options. Look for suppliers who offer high-quality products at competitive prices. Remember, you're in business to make a profit, so you need to make sure your margins are healthy. But don't sacrifice quality for a few extra bucks. Your customers will be able to tell the difference. Another crucial factor to consider is shipping times. In today's instant gratification world, customers expect their orders to arrive quickly. Look for suppliers who offer fast and reliable shipping options, ideally with tracking information. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for references. A reputable supplier should have no problem putting you in touch with other dropshippers they've worked with. Chapter 3. Creating your online store. Alright, so you've got your niche nailed down and you've found some awesome suppliers who are ready to roll. Now it's time to build your online store. This is where you get to showcase your products to the world and start making those sales. Now I know what you might be thinking, building a website, that sounds complicated and expensive, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Thanks to platforms like Shopify, you don't need any coding skills or a massive budget to create a professional-looking online store. Shopify is like the Apple of e-commerce platforms. It's super user-friendly, even for beginners, and it comes loaded with features to help you sell online. You can choose from a ton of pre-designed templates to get your store up and running quickly, or you can customize the look and feel to match your brand. One of the things I love about Shopify is that it integrates seamlessly with a ton of other apps and tools. This means you can easily add features like email marketing, social media integration, and abandoned cart recovery, all of which can help you boost sales and grow your business. But Shopify isn't your only option. There are other popular e-commerce platforms out there like WooCommerce, which is a plugin for WordPress. WooCommerce gives you a bit more control over the technical aspects of your store, but it also requires a bit more technical know-how. No matter which platform you choose, there are a few key things to keep in mind when building your store. First, make sure it's visually appealing. Use high-quality images and videos of your products and make sure your website is easy to navigate. Chapter 4. Marketing your products like a pro. Alright, so you've got your niche, your suppliers, and your online store all set up. You're officially open for business. But here's the thing. Just because you build it doesn't mean they'll come. You need to get the word out there and start driving traffic to your store. In other words, it's time to market your products like a pro. Now, when it comes to marketing, you've got a ton of different options. But let's start with one of the most powerful and cost-effective strategies out there: social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok have billions of active users, which means there's a massive potential audience for your products. The key is to create engaging content that grabs people's attention and makes them want to learn more. Think about it. People don't go on social media to be bombarded with ads. They're there to connect with friends, be entertained, and discover new things. So, how do you create content that fits seamlessly into their feeds? One effective strategy is to use a mix of organic content and paid advertising. Organic content is all about building a community and providing value to your followers. This could include things like behind-the-scenes videos, product tutorials, or even just sharing funny memes related to your niche. Paid advertising, on the other hand, allows you to target your ideal customers more precisely. You can create ads that are shown to people based on their interests, demographics, and even their online behavior. This way, you're not wasting money showing your ads to people who are never going to be interested in your products. Another powerful marketing strategy is influencer marketing. Influencers are people who have built a large and engaged following on social media. They've already earned the trust of their audience, which means their recommendations carry a lot of weight. Partnering with influencers in your niche can be a great way to get your products in front of a new audience and drive traffic to your store. You can work with influencers to create sponsored posts, product reviews, or even just have them give your brand a shout-out. And finally, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. By collecting email addresses from your website visitors, you can stay in touch with them, promote new products, and offer exclusive discounts. Chapter 5. Optimizing and Scaling Your Dropshipping Empire. Alright, so you've got your dropshipping store up and running, you're marketing your products like a pro, and the orders are starting to roll in. Things are looking good. But here's the thing about dropshipping: it's not a set-it-and-forget-it business model. To be truly successful, you need to constantly be optimizing and scaling your operation. Think of it like a high-performance sports car. You can have the fastest, most expensive car in the world, but if you don't maintain it properly, it's not going to perform at its best. The same goes for your dropshipping business. One of the most important things you can do to optimize your store is to track your data. This means paying attention to key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and customer lifetime value. By understanding these numbers, you can identify areas where you're excelling and areas where you need to improve. For example, let's say you're getting a ton of traffic to your website, but your conversion rate is really low. This could mean that people are interested in your products, but something is preventing them from making a purchase. Maybe your website is confusing to navigate, or maybe your checkout process is too complicated. By analyzing your data, you can pinpoint these problems and make changes to improve your conversion rate. Even small improvements can have a big impact on your bottom line. Another crucial aspect of optimization is customer feedback. Your customers are a goldmine of information. They can tell you what they like about your products, what they don't like, and what you can do to improve. Make it easy for customers to provide feedback by adding a contact form to your website, sending out post-purchase surveys, or even just monitoring your social media mentions. Listen to what your customers are saying, and don't be afraid to make changes based on their feedback. Once you've got a solid foundation and you're consistently generating sales, it's time to start thinking about scaling your business. This could involve expanding your product range, targeting new markets, or even launching your own private label brand. The key to scaling successfully is to do it gradually. Instead, focus on making small, incremental changes that will help you grow your business sustainably. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from finding the perfect niche to scaling your dropshipping empire. I hope this video has given you the knowledge and inspiration you need to start your own successful dropshipping business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Good luck with your dropshipping journey.